Hiya guys, it's Ellie from Ellie's Jewellery House. I am really excited to show you this this pendant from my last charity haul. I basically wanted to just add some pearl beads to it and some turquoise to match the stone in the middle of the pendant. This is a completely different kind of style necklace that I'd normally do, and so hopefully it will go well. These are all the beads I will be using. Turquoise, some pearl and some crystal beads, and there's also some grey and black crystal beads as well, so you can get an idea of what I'm going to use. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Next to the subscribe button is the bell. If you click on that and click on all, you will receive and will be notified of all my future uploads. Okay, thank you. So I've started with these beads along here. I've actually put them on already, but on this side I haven't put any more on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make the coil, each one on each bead that I've made, and then I've added the coils to the chain. So I'll show you that now. Add your bead to a 1-inch head pin, making sure that the head pin doesn't slip through the bead hole. Hold the bead in place at the bottom of the head pin with the round nose pliers. Position them about 1/4 of the way up. Tight grip on the bead, turn the round nose pliers without taking them off the head pin and make a half loop. Reposition the round nose pliers and keep the same motion going, and keep rolling that head pin into a coil. You can use these coils for any types of jewellery making, necklaces, bracelets, or even earrings. So what I can do is I can show you now how I add the beads to the chain. Now that I've shown you how to make individual coils. I basically have the chain here, and I've also added I think there was a sort of like a grey crystally one I've added as well. So the beads near the pendant were pearl instead of black, but I looked at it and thought it was too much, so I've added the black crystal beads there, and then gradually added the pearl going up the chain. So so what I can do now is show you, basically I find the loop there, the coil, and I put the chain inside the coil, and then I just let the bead drop. I spent at least 6 hours so far doing all the coils, to show you basically how it's made. It does take a long time to make this kind of necklace. I don't make them very often, but for a video I thought it'd be nice to show you how I do it. So yeah, you just basically keep adding these and just keep going, and when I've put them all on, then I will sometimes it's a bit awkward to get the chain inside. Sometimes you can make the loops a little bit smaller than others, but it will go on. As long as you do them roughly the same, they will go on. So I mean, it could take a while to put these on, so just take your time putting them all on. Obviously it can take a while to actually make the coils. So easy to do, and then just put them on one at a time. And then I was going to add some more later, but smaller beads, sort of from this sort of halfway up the necklace, and then along here add smaller beads, so kind of smaller beads sort of around the neck, At first I wasn't going to add any beads, I was just going to leave it as a chain, but because this is stainless steel chain to hold this weight of the beads, I thought it might be a bit sort of weird on the neck. I think the beads will be quite nice on there. So So there we are. I've had the beads on. All I need to do now is add more beads, but smaller, going at both sides, and then hopefully that will look really nice. When I get to the top, because they're loops, I may need to add a couple of beads at the top that are actually attached by a different kind of loop, to stop these falling off. I mean, the jump ring and the clasp should stop it, but it's just to make sure that, you know, in case the loops go over the jump ring, and that so they don't fall off. I mean, you don't want all these falling off, do you? So, but yeah, I'm very excited. I'm very, you know, very happy with it. Gorgeous colours, very shiny. So see you in a little while. I actually finished it now. It is complete, and I must say I am absolutely tired. It's taken a good 14 hours to complete, but I am very happy with it.